Welcome to Dittofi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom queries in Dittofi and also how to use ChatGPT to generate these custom queries. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to get information from two tables using custom queries. In previous videos, we created a table called posts and created a table called users. Now in the post table, we have a column called user ID. Now this column represents the ID of the users table, and it's called the foreign key. Now this column establishes a one-to-many relationship between the users and the post table. The post table is the many side of the one-to-many relationship, and the users table is the one side of the one-to-many relationship. And so also we've created a custom model called email post, and it has two attributes, the email and the title. Now this represents the data that we want to return when the endpoint is triggered. So we just want to return the email from the users table and the title of a post from the post table. So let's go back to our action. So all we need to do is to create an action called get user posts. So we add a variable. I'm going to do a collection because we want to generate a list of posts. And then we'll just call it posts. Then in the type section, we select custom. And then we write an SQL query. Select users dot email, comma, posts dot title from the posts table. Then we join the users table on, so the users table ID is equals to the post table user underscore ID. Then the custom model, we select email posts and then we click save. And then the response table, we click posts and then we build the code. Now this should take nothing more than 2 minutes. All right. Then we test the action. So as you can see, we get the email from the users table, and then we get a title from the post table. So I'm going to show you how to do this with ChatGPT. So you just go to chat.openai.com, and then you navigate to the data models section of the builder. You click on posts, then you click on code and copy everything. So we type it here and click on users, copy everything. We type it here and then we ask ChatGPT. And so this is what we get. So we can also use this and we get the same results.